Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace a shower head fixture. This fixture finally started leaking excessively, so it's time to get rid of it. Went out to the store and picked out a new one. Today I'm going to show you how to take off the old one and how simple it is to install a new one. First thing you're going to need is some sort of plumber's tape or Teflon tape. It's only $1 or $2. Focus on it. $1 or $2 at any hardware store. You'll need that to make sure you get a good watertight seal on the pipe when you thread the new fixture on. And then you'll need some sort of adjustable wrench. I got two different adjustable wrenches here, a crescent style and a slip style. So we'll see which one fits the best and what we need. But really, you just need the one wrench and the Teflon tape. To replace the shower head fixture, you don't need to turn the water off at the source because you already have a valve down here at the fixture handle. So if the shower's off, no water will come out of the pipe. So I'm going to go ahead and start disconnecting that. Adjustable wrench. Move the screw to the right size, tighten it up. Counterclockwise to loosen it. There we go. Okay, it might be loose enough now just to hand unscrew it. And we may get a little bit of residual water in here. We'll see. Nothing, okay. Our new shower head combo kit, $50, Bed Bath & Beyond. We'll see how it works. But no matter how fancy your kit is, they always hook up to the main spout. I'll get this open and see what we can do. Alright, we've got the thing unboxed, and I don't know what's challenging or more challenging, actually getting that plastic clamshell packaging open without cutting up your hands or installing the thing. But luckily we're not bleeding and we're ready to get to work. Okay, good to see. Of course, with any new fixture you want to read the directions first. First thing I noticed though is that this one came with its own Teflon tape. So that's good. We'll use that instead of the other one. But we'll open this up and read the directions, make sure there's nothing squirrely. Alright, ready to get to work. Like I said before, one of the first things you want to do is clean the threads once you get the old fixture off. So make sure those are good. Take a good rag or clean solution, make sure those threads are nice and clean. And we're going to use our Teflon tape next. The important thing with pipe tape or Teflon tape is to put it on in the direction of the tightening screw. So we're going to turn the head clockwise to tighten it. So I'm going to put the tape on in a clockwise fashion. Just 2 or 3 times. Make sure all the threads are covered with the tape. And just pull it to cut it. Now how to create a real nice watertight seal. Because I have a combination head here, instead of just having a shower head that would go on right there and be done with it, I've got a diverter head that will take the water and either put it in the main nozzle, the main shower head, or into the handheld sprayer. So all you do is thread it on clockwise. And we'll get the wrench, tighten it up. Okay, I'm not going to over tighten it. But I do want to get my wrench off. There we go. Okay, the diverter is on. Now I can put the main shower head on. Alright, the main shower head has a little rubber gasket in there, make sure that's seated properly. And just hand tighten this. It's got threads to do it with your fingers. Okay. Alright. That's on there. Now the next piece is to put on the other hose and the other shower head. Directions say take a washer, put it in here, connect it to the diverter, and just thread it on. Real simple, looks like. Hand tighten. And with a handheld shower head, we're going to connect to this end of it. Again, we'll stick another little rubber washer in there and just hand tighten it to the handle. Alright, now we'll figure out how to make this look right. It's connected. And there we go. Okay. This will eventually hang down once we get some hot water through it and the hose gets more flexible. This will hang down, but now we have both our shower heads installed. So we'll do a quick leak check and see what happens. Okay, water on, converter on. Okay, the first shower head is fine. I don't see any leaks at all over here. Now we'll do the divert. Second shower head came on. Again, I don't see any leaks up here or there, so those two are on. And then the combination of the two. Looks like a winner. So in about 10 minutes of work, that's how you take off your old shower head and install a new one. Thanks for watching.